I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You already have both spreadsheets open. Now make the connection. First, copy the source sheet URL and note the exact tab name and range you want, like A1D100. Once done, switch to the target sheet and choose a cell where data will appear. You will use import range, a single formula that pulls live data. Enter equals import range. Paste source URL, tab name, A1D100, and press enter. You'll be prompted to allow access. Click Allow to proceed. After authorizing, you'll see the imported values populate. If you need a dynamic range, replace the fixed end with an open range like tab name, A1A. For a specific block, keep A1D100. Once data appears, refine it. Wrap import range inside query to filter rows or use filter to pick columns. If you want multiple ranges, combine curly braces import range. Import range. Make sure range headers match to avoid misalignment when combining. Finish by converting types and locking behavior. Wrap values with value or to date for numbers/dates, and use array formula to apply formulas across imports. If you see #ref or #n/a, check that the source URL is correct and that the source file's sharing allows access. Reauthorize if needed. If import seems stale, force recalculation by editing the formula or change settings calculation to recalc more often. Once stable, monitor changes since import range keeps live sync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.